Hello children, how are you? Hope all of you are keeping well. You are certainly missing your friends and your school. Yes? Yes, I know. So class 3 students, I am here to take your English class. So, please get ready with your literature book and open at page 29. That is unit 5. The Real Princess. I've already explained you the story of the real princess. Do you remember the story? Yes, the story is about a prince. The prince had a special wish. Now children, do you know what did he wish? Yes, he wanted to marry not only a princess but a real princess. As you know, he travelled all over the world in the hope of finding such a one. But could he find anyone? No. He met many princesses, but there was always something wrong about them. Moreover, he didn't know how to determine whether they were real princesses or not. So, he had to come back to the palace and he became very sad. Why? Why did he become sad? Because he wished so much to have a real princess as his wife, but failed to find one. Clear? Now, what happened one evening? One evening, there was a terrible storm, and it was raining heavily. Indeed, it was a fearful dark night. In the middle of the storm, somebody knocked on the palace door. Who went to open the door? Yes, the old king, the prince's father, himself went to open the door. Whom did he find outside? He found an entirely wet girl outside. Now, how did she look? She was indeed in a very bad condition. Water trickled from her hair. Trickled means flowed in little drops, and her clothes clung to her body. What did she say? She asked for shelter, and she claimed that she was a real princess. We shall soon see about that. Who said these words and to whom? Do you know? Yes, the Queen Mother said these words to herself. Actually, she thought of a plan to test her. She didn't give any hint. She went into the bedroom, and what did the Queen Mother do? She took all the bedclothes off and laid 3 little peas on the bedstead. So how many peas were kept there? Yes, she kept 3 peas. Now can you say what did she do next? She laid 20 mattresses, one upon another, over the 3 peas. It didn't end there. Then she put 20 feather beds over the mattresses. Now, the special bed is ready. Who had to pass the night upon this bed? Yes, the princess had to pass the night upon this bed. Now, children, what was the motto behind this idea? Can you tell me? Yes, the Queen Mother wanted to check whether the princess would be able to feel the peas under the dozens of mattresses and feather beds. Next morning, the princess was asked how she had slept. What was her reply? She replied that she couldn't sleep at all. She had had something hard under her and she was black and blue all over. Now it was clear to everyone that she must be a real princess. Why? Because she could feel the 3 P's through 20 mattresses and 20 feather beds. It is not possible for a normal human being or a normal princess. Nobody but a real princess could have such a delicate sense of feeling. So the prince made her his wife. Now he was sure that he had found a real princess. And the peas were put into the royal museum. So, have you enjoyed the story? Okay. Now underline the spellings from this chapter. First line, prince. Then wished, marry, princess. Next line, traveled, world, hope. Got it? Okay. Now, wrong, plenty, decide, seemed, quite, just beside it, right. Okay. Next line, palace. Then downcast, evening, fearful, tempest, arose, thunder, lightning. Same line. Next one, torrents. Besides, pitch, dark. Followed? Now turn to the next page. First line, violent. Then knocking. Outside. State. Trickled. Clothes. Clung. Followed? Next one, thought. Same line, Queen Mother. Then quietly. Bedclothes. Bedstead. Okay. Mattresses. Feather beds. Slept. Indeed. Same line, replied. Next line, scarcely, closed, whole, through. Now the last page. Hard, heart. First one is heard, then next line heart. Plain, delicate, sense, feeling, convinced, royal, museum, still, stolen. That's all. Children, you must learn all these spellings. Now, I am going to discuss questions and answers from this chapter. Now, can you see question number 1? What is written over there? What was the prince's wish? Do you know the answer? It's very easy. Yes, the prince wished to marry a princess. But then she must be a real princess. Followed? Okay. Now, question number 2. Why was the prince unhappy? The answer is the prince was unhappy because he wished so much to have a real princess as his wife, but he had failed to find one. Got it? Okay. Now let's move to the question number 3. Who came to the palace one stormy night? How did she look? Now tell me, who came to the palace one stormy night? Yes, a princess came to the palace one stormy night. You know that it was raining heavily along with a fearful tempest that night. So, what will you write? How did she look? The answer will be, the princess was in a sad state. She was fully wet. Water trickled from her hair and her clothes clung to her body. Understood? Yes. Now, question number 4. It is not from your book, so please write it down. The question is, how did the Queen Mother come to know that the princess was a real princess? I'd like to repeat. How did the Queen Mother come to know that the princess was a real princess? This is the interesting part of the story. Yes. The answer is, the princess had been able to fill the 3 little peas through the 20 mattresses and 20 feather beds. None but a real princess could have such a delicate sense of feeling. Her identity of a real princess was established by a taste of a sensitivity. Yes, she had that special quality and sensitivity a real princess should have. So again, I'd like to tell you the answer. The princess had been able to feel the 3 little peas through the 20 mattresses and 20 feather beds. None but a real princess could have such a delicate sense of feeling. Okay? I'll give you some opposites. Please follow. Number 1. The opposite of the word real is fake. Number 2. Found, lost. Number 3. Always, never. Number 4. Wrong, right. Number 5. Violent, gentle. Number 6. Inside, outside. Number 7. Hard, soft. And number 8. Able, unable. There is an assignment for you. Please do it at home. The first one is answer in one word. Number 1. He travelled all over the world. He travelled all over the world. Number 2. The 3 peas were kept in this place. Number 3. It arose with thunder and lightning. The second one. Correct the errors in the following sentences. Number 1. One morning a fearful tempest arose. Number 2. The king put 10 feather beds over the mattresses. Number 3. The 7 peas were put into the museum. Next one. Make sentences with the following words. The words are princess, museum, night, closed. Now the fourth one, that is fill in the blanks. Number 1. The prince went back to his palace quite dash. Number 2. The rain came down in dash. Number 3. The old queen mother put dash feather beds over the mattresses. And number 4. A fearful tempest arose with dash and dash. And the last one, that is number 5. Who said these words and to whom? We shall soon see about that. Followed? That's all for today, dear children. Stay safe and healthy. Thank you.